Welcome to AstroShell. Let's get you set up in just a few simple steps. First, remove the exoskeleton from the carrying case and unfold the frame. Adjust the waist bar to match your body width. Next, adjust the waist straps to a comfortable length. Put on the waist belt and fasten the buckle securely. Adjust the leg frame height so the thigh supports sit comfortably above your knees. For optimal performance, position the supports approximately 2 to 4 inches, 5 to 10 centimeters above the knee. Secure the thigh buckles on both sides. Tighten the waist belt until the system feels stable and secure. Then tighten the thigh straps for a snug and comfortable fit. Insert the battery and connect the power cable. Press and hold the power button to turn on the system. Once powered on, press the AI button once to activate AI assistance mode. Use the control buttons to select your preferred assistance level. When you're finished, power off the system, disconnect the battery, and fold the exoskeleton back into the carrying case. You're now ready to enjoy a more comfortable and supported walking experience with AstroShell.